Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and Zip files on SONY Xperia 1.4. So in order to do this, we'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to unpack, and mine are located in DCI-M and then Photography Pro. Here's the pictures.rar, so let's click on it, and right here we'll be able to unpack these files. Select each file that you want to unpack, click on this arrow pointing up, and right here we'll be able to click and change any extraction options. So go for the browse in order to pick the destinations where the files will go, and I want mine in the movies. Select OK. From here also you can change any options like ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, do not extract paths, or disable extracted files, or any other. Now select OK. Enter the password if the archive is protected by one, and now we've just unpacked our files. Now let's move back to the movies folder, and here they are. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.